There were 1,200 of us that were sent to Princeton. As I told the story later to groups of people, I said after 3 months there were only 600 survivors. And in another 3 months there were only 300 survivors. In another 3 months there were only 120 survivors. And finally there was only 24 of us left. When I'd told that story in front of some people that had misunderstood me, I think perhaps because of the term survivor. Upon my arrival at Princeton, it really occurred, I suppose, at Princeton Junction, which was the terminal for the Princeton Junction and Back Railway that carried people, commuters, essentially, from Princeton, from the Princeton station to Princeton Junction station to commute on to either Philadelphia or New York City. Upon my arrival, walking into the train station, there was Albert Einstein. Had on the saddle Oxfords, a sweatshirt and suntans, and gray flowing hair as typical of Einstein's dress as we had ever seen. Subsequent to that, I used to see him on the street. I lived in an apartment not too far from his home, and I would see him walking the street. I can't describe the time, but he was a man who would nod to others. Of course, I never had the courage to talk with him, or never had any reason to want to talk with him. But he was a part of the fixture there on the Princeton campus.